Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a quick walkthrough of an absolutely great condition 1989 Viking 63 wide body motor yacht. This boat is a wide body for one reason, because it's a wide body. These unbelievably stout landing stairs come with this. You can see it's easy to get around here. You got a built-in cushion seat all the way across the bow here. Your entrance to the pilot house is on either side. And this is where you get your well from. You got a super large U-shaped galley here with a pass-through to the dinette. Stainless appliances, lots of counter space, lots of countertop. It's a great layout for a galley here. The floors are absolutely gorgeous throughout this whole level. Huge dining room, and here's your wow shot. This is the wide body. It's an unbelievable amount of space and just a gorgeous interior here. The woodwork is gorgeous. You got all these windows. The blinds, when they're opened up like they are right now, you just got panoramic views all the way around. You walk out onto your aft deck here. Just another awesome spot on the boat. Nice big swim platform that you can access via this ladder. And again, the wow from the other side, entering back in from the aft deck. Just tremendous amounts of room. This boat features these custom blinds to the window down. You've got all the privacy in the world, and they're so easy to put up and down, and they're all the way around the boat. So another really cool feature there. But here's another view of the dining room from the other end. The panoramic view of the salon area. This really is gorgeous. This does not do it justice, I'll promise you. This is a big boat and I'm running through it, and I'm sorry about that. This is your entrance to the upper helm. We're going to step up there real quick and show you what's going around. Okay, here's your upper helm. New Garmin plotter GPS radar up here. Isinglass canvas is all new from 2 years ago, 18 months at the most. All new upholstery up top. This is a great space up here. Refrigerator built in the bar area. You got another aft deck area here. You got I think that's a 1,200 pound Nautical Structures davit. This is the rest of that stairs. It's a swim platform there, so at a permanent location that's what you would put there. See, you've got lots of room up here, and another view looking forward. And here's the view going down. Another shot of the salon. This is your wet bar area here, across from the dinette. Ice maker, wet bar, liquor storage. Here's the entrance to the master. It's full beam and aft. Features the same gorgeous wood floors. This is your washroom, the port, and the engine access. We'll come right back to you. This master is massive. Woodwork is gorgeous. Island berth. You still have lots of natural light coming in. I didn't open it all up, but there's still lots here. And you got lots of cabinets built in all the way around. Nice settee over here. These are all 3 separate hanging lockers on the port side. You got a makeup station here, tons of bright lights. the head with dual sinks, his and her sinks. A big giant bathtub here. Great big head. Alright, this is looking back aft again. The master, another view. It really is huge. It's nice. The woodwork is gorgeous. Giant flat screen hanging here. Even got a fireplace if you want to use it. Washroom again. And your engine room. What an engine room should be. I'm 6'2", I can jump up and down in here. There is absolutely all the room in the world. Air conditioners are all readily accessible. Here are the rest of them right over here. But you can get all the way to the outboard side of both engines. Everything is well lit, well maintained. This is a great looking engine room. Everybody should be so lucky to have an engine room like this. Diamond grid flooring. That's your generator here. And a big sound shield. Just an awesome place. Use Detroit, will get you where you're going. Okay, heading back up. Floors are gorgeous, all throughout. Moving forward, the steps down by the wheelhouse here are access to the other 3 staterooms. The VIP is all the way forward in the bow. Got plenty of room to step up, make the bed, lots of storage in here too. This VIP has its own private head with a separate stall shower. It's a great space here, so your guests have their own head. Then the other staterooms are Jack and Jill head system. They're sharing the head. You got a double bed on the port side here, and then on the starboard side you got bunk beds. Both share the same head. Just a walkthrough. Got a nice big shower over here too. We can do laps in here. Round and round she goes. I'm going to come back in the other way so you get a better look at the shower. There you go. All in all, it's just a well laid out, really well thought out yacht. You got 4 staterooms, 3 huge heads, all with separate stall showers, and then a bathtub in the master. Heading back up again. Back to the wheelhouse where we started. Great cushion up here. Here's a great view of the lower helm. And then there's your control panel down here. So one more quick look around. Huge U-shaped galley here. Pass through from the galley to the dinette. And then this giant salon. This boat is awesome. Do yourself a favor and come take a look. 1989 63 Viking Motoryacht Wide Body. Thank you.